What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the Oh Yas box. So I have never tried out this box before. I saw some of it on Instagram. I was following their little Instagram handle and saw some pictures, so I thought it was interesting. And I did purchase this box on my own. I did not receive this for free or anything like that, but if you are interested, if you see something that you like, if you're, if you're like, oh my gosh, I love that, I want to get some too, I do have an affiliate link down below that you can click on, and I saw on their website where you can use YOY for 10% off your first box. So if you're interested, all that information would be linked down below, but let's go ahead and get started. I am excited to see what's in it. So here it is. It comes in just like, it reminds me a lot of Ipsy. Was it Ipsy that came in the pink bag? Similar to this? I think it was. But anyways, so it comes in this little black bag. Of course, I would drop a product as soon as I open it. So it comes in this little black bag. I do want to let you know that it is $14.99 a month, and you also have to pay $3.99 shipping. So it's about 18 bucks, give or take, almost $19. But you do get 4 to 5 full-size products in here. So I figured it'd be something fun to try out and see what they get. So I'm going to go ahead and just dump everything out onto my thing right here. You do, let's see, there's a little card in here. It's cute. It has all these little things that says Girl Power. And this is the March 2019 box. So it says, the moment you realize you will never pay full price for makeup. Yes. Your monthly savings 82% off retail. So it just talks a little bit about how you save money by purchasing the box. Well, I guess I could say bag. Not really box. I don't know. So let's go ahead and see. I got 5 full-size products here. The first one is, let's see, Mirabella Eye. So it says the ultimate seductive smoky eye is seconds away. So this is it right here. And this is the eye crayon in Semi-Sweet. Let's open her up. So I have received this brand before, and I don't know if it was like in an Ipsy box or either in BoxyCharm. I can't remember because I used to have this. Well, I still have BoxyCharm, but I had Ipsy a long time ago. But this is it right here. Open her up so you guys can see, and I'll swatch her for y'all. And it looks just like a nice brown, like a deep chocolate brown. So that is an eye crayon. And then Mora, M-O-I-R-A, Mora. It is a Lush matte cream right here, and you can tell I definitely didn't do my due diligence and open up the bag before, because it still has all the wrapper on it. So let's try to open her up. I should have opened her up before. Okay, so I totally dirtied it up. This is a Lush matte cream. It says Lush matte cream has a unique formula that can turn cream to a smooth, silky texture upon contact with the heat on your lips. The silky matte formula is highly pigmented, non-drying, and comfortable for long-lasting wear. I don't know. Let's see. I wonder if the color is it's called, oh, the color is called Butter Cake. Oh, I wonder if it smells like cake. It doesn't smell like cake. That's a little disappointing. It doesn't have like a weird smell or anything, so let's go ahead and swatch her. Oh, this feels so velvety. Oh my God. And that color is beautiful. Yes. I love that. So, as it says, it's supposed to turn into a smooth, silky texture upon contact with the heat on your lips. I can definitely tell that. It's like super velvety when it goes on, is what it feels like. So, I could see that. The next thing we got is this Douce, Doucce, Ultra Precision Eyeliner. And this is in the shade 500. It's a kohl eyeliner. Oh, yeah. I think this is going to be a good one. Oh. Y'all. That is like super just... Oh, that was super smooth to write with. Yes. I am pretty happy so far with everything. That's going to be really smooth right here on my waterline. I'm happy. And then we also got the Bella Terra Mineral Cosmetics Mascara. And this is in the shade Pitch Black. So this is the box. And I just tore the box. I'm like the worst at opening things up. So this is it right here. I wonder what the wand looks like. Because you guys know how I like my wands. I like them fluffy and thick. Just like the Lash Paradise, Better Than Sex, the Too Faced, or not Too Faced, but ColourPop BFF. Those are all my favorites. So this, I don't know why I just did that. I totally just rubbed it on my nose. Oh my God. It has like a perfume smell, but like I feel like it's like a tropical perfumey kind of smell. I like that. I like that smell. Okay, sidetracked, but this is the brush right here, and it's definitely one of those big poofy brushes. Certainly not like my favorite mascaras, but who knows? I can't stop smelling that. It smells delicious. I will try it out. And the last thing we got is this IBY Beauty Cheek to Cheek palette. Oh my God. IBY Beauty Cheek to Cheek palette. I don't know what's going on here. And it's a blush duo in Peachy. Oh, I love peach blushes. I like any kind of blush, really. Oh, wow. Oh, this is so cute. So it's like a faux leather. I don't know if you guys can tell. Like a little stitch. And it opens up like this. How freaking cute is that? Oh my God. It has mirrors on both little flaps. That is adorable. My dog just came in. I just couldn't get over this packaging. It is so freaking cute. Oh my God. So, okay, this is the blush duo, cheek to cheek blush duo in Peachy. It says, achieve a healthy glow or go to for a bold eye to cheek draping look with this complementing blush duo. It says, each buildable, blendable shade is infused with rosehip seed oil to nourish and hydrate your skin. So we've got 2 shades in here. Let me take this off. This packaging is so freaking cute. And so, okay, I'll go extra one. So this is the first one, and this is called Jive. Let me see. That feels so smooth. Okay, so you guys know I'm super heavy-handed. I'll probably have to go very light-handed with this blush because holy crap, I was not expecting that. And then the other one is a little bit more shimmery. It's got a little bit of highlight in it. or not highlight, it's got a little bit of shimmer, not so much glitter, but it's called Cha Cha right here. And this one feels the same. They feel a little creamy and just very smooth. So this is it right here. Wow, I was not expecting that. Okay, so this seriously might be my most favorite thing out of this box. This is adorable, and the shades in here are super pigmented. It's creamy. It is literally the cutest thing. So like, if you want to use one side, open it up. You've got your little mirror right here, so you can do that, or you could flip it and do the other side. This little palette is worth it, in my opinion, for this whole box. I don't know what to say. It's amazing. I am so shocked by this. And the lip cream, yeah, because basically you've got a whole face of products right here. You've got your lips, your cheeks, mascara, eyeliner, and eyeshadow right here. So, I mean, that's amazing. So basically for like 19 bucks, you've got your whole face basically done. I am super excited. I was not expecting to be blown away like I was. I just love this. This is the packaging got me. I'm just gonna say the packaging on this thing got me, and then after swatching it, yeah, this is my favorite. So, like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm definitely gonna be purchasing next month's box. Usually, if you follow their Instagram account, you can kind of see some spoilers. So I did check here and there. Honestly, for 18 bucks, you get basically a full face of items. So definitely check them out. I will be right back. Hey guys, so I know I just said I'd be right back, and you can clearly tell that I have my hair in braids and I have on different makeup, but I told you I was recording last night. My babies woke up crying, so I had to go take care of that, so I never came back to film. So I'm going to go ahead and finish out this video. I just showed you all the products. I am being completely blown away by everything. If you want to know what's on my lips, it's actually this lip cream that was in the box. It is amazing. It literally, it is so just velvety. That is the best way to put it. And I know I said that it says cream to a smooth, silky texture. It's the truth. It is the truth. So honestly, this is best stuff. And this eyeliner, I used this today on my eyes, and I love it. So it is worth it. I don't know if I said earlier, but I do have an affiliate link, which is linked down below. If you do decide to subscribe, I do make a small commission from that, but you don't have to use it at all if you don't want to. If you just want to go straight to the website and use that code YOY for 10% off, that's fine as well. But everything will be down below, all the information. I do want to point out that I went ahead and found everything, like went straight to the websites for these products, and I got the prices. So like I said, you're paying about $19 for the box. So this IBY Cheek to Cheek palette is $16. The Mirabella Semi-Sweet Eye Crayon is $20. The Bellaterra Mascara is $20. The Douce Eyeliner is $22. And this Mora Lip Cream is $7, which, by the way, I just found that out, and I found the website. So I'm probably going to go and purchase some more because I absolutely love this. And it has stayed on, seriously, like all day. It does not come off. So I think this is the first time I've had to reapply it, which is right before this video. I've loved everything so far out of this box. The total value of this month's box is $85 and we only paid like 19 bucks. So it is worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful night. Bye, y'all.